channel, Budget for Success. Woo! And today we got good vibes only, good vibes only. Come on, baby, come on. We've got good vibes only. We only have good vibes. Yes. Woo! Woo! Today we are cash stuffing my travel fund for you know where. We are going to France. Jamais de l'argent pour la France. Jamais de l'argent pour la France. Which means I am cash stuffing cash. Yes, for France. I have cash for France. Let's get started. Shoo-woo! All right. So for those of you who recall, I have this beautiful France calendar, Paris no less. And what we do is I scratch off and save each month. So we are scratching off for the month of August. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. We are behind, but we are. We are going to cash up for August. So let's do it. But we need money. Let's get some money, y'all. Let's get some money. Let's get some money. So we have $255. So we got 100, 200, 20, 40, 55 dollars. $255. We are going to scratch until we can't scratch anymore. We have the trusty dusty calculator. We do not need assistance from you, dice tray. All right, so let's see. We have $28. Okay, it looks like $168. So 28 plus 24. $168. 168. So we are going to go and pull out 168. So we got 150, 170. We have 170. We do have some money in here. Let's see. So much for my safe bank. If you do a bank, right? Do a bank you can open. So I have 170, so I can take $2 out because that can go into savings challenges. I'm probably going to put it to bling. Okay, so let's fill this out so we know how much we have to work with. So we adding another 168. All right, so in the bank it says we have $1,042. That's what's in the bank. But this is the cash we have. So let's see how much we have. So we have 200, 300, so 10, 20, 25, 30, 32, half. So 325, 327, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So 336, which makes sense. Yep, so 336. So I think this should have said 336. Plus 1,042 gives me $1,378. $1,378. So that's 1,000. Okay. They're making this video longer than it needs to be. That's okay. This is money for France, y'all. So 10, 20, 25, 30, 2, 4, 6, 36 half. So 365, 67, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. So yes, we are at $1,378 in our bank. for France. Yes, this is the bank for France. Woo! Some of this will need to go to the bank as well because we have been earning interest on this money. So there we go. I had a note here. I said interest, but I didn't put how much it was. So just know, guys. Oh, so it went from $852 to $854. So I earned $2 here. I earned $2 here. Yes, 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 yes. Woohoo! I think down here I earned, see, it went from $857 to $874. So that was $17. This is when we switched to the financial advisor. He started doing more for our money than what we were doing before. So yeah, this was a good move. Sure was. Get that money to a financial advisor and earn some money. So this is France. So $168. So now we are moving on into September, which is Medici Fontaine, Luxembourg Gardens. This is at Luxembourg Gardens. Beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to see all the trees and nature in Paris. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. That's all I have today, y'all. It wasn't a lot. I just needed to get caught up on my calendar, my travel fund for France, to let you guys know I am still saving money for France. Yes, I am. Yes, because I'm going to get there. Yes, yes. Believe it. Believe it. Jamais de l'argent pour la France. If you like this video and you want more fun videos where we save for fun things for France, and hit the cha-ching button, please like, comment, and subscribe to Budget for Success. Woo! Bye for now. Love you guys.